Hello everyone, today we're exposing ozemfitcaps.com, a website claiming to sell weight loss capsules related to Ozempic or GLP-1 drugs. With Ozempic scams exploding by 183% in 2024, this needs investigation. Is this legitimate medication or a dangerous scam preying on desperate dieters? Let's expose the truth. First, understand what's happening. Ozempic scams have increased 200% this year because the demand is so high and the supply is limited. Scammers are creating fake websites offering weight loss drugs at heavily discounted prices and instead delivering allergy medicine, insulin, saline solution, or nothing at all. The FDA has warned weight loss products are the top healthcare related scam complaints. These products are often falsely advertised as dietary supplements but contain potentially harmful drugs or chemicals not listed on labels. Without being able to verify this specific site, here are critical warning signs to look for. If the website is brand new with no established history, that's a red flag. If they're offering Ozempic or weight loss drugs without requiring a prescription, that's illegal and dangerous. If prices are significantly lower than legitimate pharmacies, it's almost certainly a scam. Scammers follow headlines. When something like Ozempic becomes hot, fraudsters create fake products to capitalize on demand. They use social media ads, fake celebrity endorsements, and testimonials to make their scams look legit. This isn't just about losing money. This is about your health and potentially your life. Real victims have reported receiving insulin instead of Ozempic, which could be fatal if injected by a non-diabetic. Others receive allergy medicine, saline solution, or contaminated substances. One victim described opening a package that looked wrong. Flimsy packaging, different looking pen. After verifying with their doctor and the pharmaceutical company, they confirmed it was fake Ozempic. It was actually an insulin pen. If they hadn't double checked, they could have died. Real Ozempic and similar GLP-1 drugs require a prescription from a licensed doctor. They cost around $1,000 per month without insurance. They're dispensed by licensed pharmacies, either in person or through verified online pharmacies with proper credentials. The packaging has batch numbers, expiration dates, and manufacturer details that can be verified. Scammers create professional looking websites that mimic legitimate pharmacies. They advertise heavily on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and through spam emails. They offer massive discounts, sometimes requiring payment in cryptocurrency to avoid traceability. They steal your personal and financial information during checkout. Then they either send you nothing, send counterfeit dangerous products, or send legitimate looking packages containing the wrong substance. Even if you think you're getting a free trial, victims report being charged repeatedly for subscriptions they never agreed to, with companies refusing refunds. The final verdict? ozemfitcaps.com and similar sites selling weight loss drugs online without prescriptions? Scam. These operations are dangerous, illegal, and could kill you. Only buy prescription medicines through legitimate channels, aka your doctor's prescription and a verified pharmacy. Your life is worth more than a discount. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.